This is the Armour Guard LoadAll LA750-PRO. You should not be using this equipment if you haven't had the necessary training. If the LoadAll is collapsed, you'll need to assemble it to use. Lift both handles and gently place them into position, being careful of finger trapping areas. Slide the back bar through the handles and fix in place using the clamps like this. Ensure that the brake casters are on the same end as the handle. The brakes must be on and the clamps tight. The LoadAll is a versatile piece of equipment suitable for a range of materials which can be used in different ways depending on the user's purpose and requirements. Always be careful of pinch points. There are warning stickers located next to potential pinch points if used incorrectly. The clamps can be positioned to the side like this and kept clear for when loading materials. Boards are to be side loaded onto the trolley from here. Load the boards on the trolley, leaning against the two upright arms. Clamps should be adjusted in height and length to fit the boards you are loading. They are adjusted using the star screws like this. You must be careful of pinch points when adjusting the clamps. Materials should sit snug against the clamps and always be tightened using these star screws. Shorter materials should be secured by using the clamps in reverse. To do this, safely adjust using the star screws like this, being mindful of pinch points. Prevent risk of crushed fingers by taking extra care when lifting the arms up and down and when securing into place. When the trolley is loaded, use the two handles at the back to move as well as the handle on the end to maintain safe and easy use of the trolley. When going through tight spaces, use the 4 swivel casters to allow easy navigation. When going through doorways, make use of the H-frame design like this. 2 of these casters have direction locks fitted to stop sideways drifting of a loaded trolley. These are not to be confused with the brake casters located on the other end. Casters should always be locked when you're loading and unloading the trolley. The maximum load capacity is 750 kg. This must never be exceeded under any circumstances. The unit can be collapsed. Do this safely by firstly making sure the brakes are on and all clamps are tightly fastened. Remove the back bar by sliding through the handles and fold down the side arms, lifting them up and over like this. Always be careful of pinch points when folding down the arms. Reduce this risk by holding the handle on the arms and ensure that the arms themselves are kept clear. Always operate within site-specific RAMs and liaise with management personnel on site for any additional operational restrictions that you need to be aware of. Operators should ensure they only load the trolley to suit individual site circumstances.